my name is Abhay Kumar Baduni and I belong to Dehradun, Uttarakhand only. So guys, I have taken the coaching from the Doon Defence Academy in Dehradun. I am a native of Dehradun, Uttarakhand only, and and for the written examination for the NDA 1 and 2 2020, I took the online classes at the Doon Defence Academy, and the faculty and the motivation and the direction I got from my teachers was out of the world. After that, when I cleared my written examination, I came here only to Doon Defence Academy for my SSB preparation. The faculty, the infrastructure for the SSB procedure is just amazing, and it's a wonderful experience being over here. I learned a lot, and I am very sure that yes, I'll make it in my very first attempt only. Jai Hind.
Hello guys, myself Rahul Negi and I am from Sandeep Sir Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. I have taken SSB coaching from Doon Defence Academy and the experience over here was fabulous. The infrastructure, the teachers and everything over here are just out of the world. And I'm sure that I will definitely make it in my SSB. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Aman Mishra and I am from Sandeep Sir Doon Defence Academy. I have taken admission here in 2019 for the written examination and as well as for the SSB. With the great efforts of all the faculty members, with such a hard-working faculty members, I have made it in the NDA written examination in 2021 and 2 both. So I am here for my SSB preparation and I hope that I will make it with the all efforts of the faculty members and with good infrastructure of the SSB. Jai Hind.
Hi guys, this is Prashant from Noida, UP, and I have come from Uttar Pradesh and to come here to join SSB in Doon Defence Academy. The infrastructure and the teachers, faculty here is very good, and I hope that I will clear the SSB in the first attempt. Jai Hind.
My name is Utkarsh Pratap Singh Rajawat. I am from Jalaun, UP. So previously I prepared for NDA by my own and go for SSB, but got conference out. But then I listen about DDA Academy. Then it's my friend said that it's a very good academy. After I come here and I got a great increment in my confidence. And now I can speak in public also. Yes, previously I has a fear to speak in public, so I got skinned out. But now I am too confident, and the faculties of DDA are very good and very supporting. So it is very good to come here and increase in every personality. Thank you. Jai Hind.
I am Tejasvi Bhardwaj. I am from Uttarakhand. I qualified my NDA 145 exam. I prepared it myself from my home, but for the SSB, I joined DDA Academy. I found it from the Google and I came here. First of all, I thought that maybe I will not get that much of support, but the faculty here are very cooperative. Especially the psychology classes are very interactive, and the GDO as well. So if anyone wants to take help, what we should do for guidance, he can come to DDA. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashish Kumar Pandey. I'm from Kushinagar. I came here in 2019 for the preparation of NDA written exam and I cleared that, and I again came here for the preparation of SSB interview. I prepared here. Faculty are very good and very supportive. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello friends, my name is Dilsad. I am from Rajasthan, Bharatpur. I came here 2019 and I take 1 year course of NDA. I clear and the COVID-19 के टाइम पे DDA वालों ने ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म खोलकर हमें बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, and I take online classes every day and I clear written 1 and 2, and after I give my Air Force X group and मेरा उसमें नंबर आ गया. And in this time I take SSB coaching. It is beautiful and infrastructure is good of DDA. Faculties are good, like Nitin Sharma and Pallavi ma'am is good. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Shubham Sekhar. I am doing my BTech and right now I am in my fourth year. I am going to appear for the SSB interview through FCAT. I knew about the DDA through Google and I came here and I appeared the epitome 14-day condensed class for SSB interview. Overall, my experience was very good. It was above what I expected, and everything went so good. Today is my last day, and I strongly recommend you if you want to join. If you want to join any DDA Defence Academy, this is the best, one of the best academy here. Thank you. Jai Hind.
My name is Vineet Yadav and I am from Gurgaon, Haryana. I have cleared my NDA written examination. I have prepared on my own and now I am here at Dehradun in Doon Defence Academy, and I am preparing for my SSB interview. Here the facility is very good. All the faculties are well experienced and they have good knowledge. I got to know about the SSB interview 5-day process very well. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Faiz. I am from Hardoi, UP. I cleared my NDA 1 2020 exam from my self-study, and I come here for SSB training 15 days course. There are many good teachers and facilities are very excellent. I learned many things from here, and I work on them. Those things, and I have recommended in SSB. There are teachers very good and they teach me a lot of things for my SSB. They give us much experience for our SSB and give us more testers, and they give us a lot of things for me. And last I said that I have much experience from here, so I wanted to say there is a good faculty from here. Thank you. Jai Hind.
My name is Hemant Rajpuri. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I cleared NDA 1 SSB NDA 1 paper, and I came to know about Doon Defence Academy, and I joined Doon Defence Academy. The teachers are too helpful, and I am very happy to join this academy. Jai Hind.
I am Vijay Kumar Singh. I am from Motihari, Champaran, Bihar. I was the student of DDA, and I have cleared both NDA first and NDA second 2020, and also cleared the Year 4 examination in X group. And presently I am taking SSB from DDA. DDA has very friendly environment, and यहाँ पे आपको आने के बाद जो टीचर्स मिलेंगे बहुत फ्रेंडली मिलेंगे, और आप जानते हैं कि देहरादून का जो वातावरण है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कितना लाभदायक है, और मैं सभी स्टूडेंट्स को DDA रिकमेंडेड करूँगा कि आप एक बार यहाँ पे एडमिशन लें और पढ़कर अपने सपने को पूरा करें. जय हिंद.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.